The current landscape for applied optoelectronics is a fascinating case study in how the market processes explosive growth. As of the close of the last trading session on Friday, April 17, 2026, at 4 p.m. EDT, Applied Optoelectronics, AAOI, is trading at $159.42 per share. This represents a solid intraday gain of $2.10, or about 1.33%. Throughout that session, we saw the stock hit a high of $161.47 and a low of $152.50, moving on a volume of over 8.7 million shares. To put this in perspective, since it is currently Sunday, April 19, 2026, the markets are closed, and these are the most recent figures from the Friday close. It is worth noting that the stock has seen a massive 52-week range, climbing from a low of $9.71 to this current peak near $161. This isn't just a rally, it is a complete revaluation of what this company represents in the hardware layer of the internet. Now, here is the part where reality is starting to outpace the expectations of even the most optimistic bulls. Most people looking at Applied Optoelectronics see it as just another fiber optic play, but the real story is that they have essentially become a manufacturing bottleneck for the biggest companies on the planet. While everyone is focused on software and chips, the physical cables and transceivers that connect those chips are in such short supply that AAOI management recently admitted their growth for 2026 isn't limited by how many customers they have, but by how fast they can physically build factories. They are currently projecting revenue to cross the $1 billion mark this year, which is more than double what they did in 2025. When a company tells you that their only problem is being unable to build factories fast enough to satisfy demand from Microsoft and Amazon, you aren't looking at a standard cyclical upturn, you are looking at a structural shift in how data centers are built. The common belief right now is that Applied Optoelectronics is riding the coattails of the big chip makers. People think that if you buy Nvidia stock or Apple stock, you're getting the cream of the crop, and AAOI is just a secondary beneficiary. But the deeper reality is more complex. While the big names get the headlines, the infrastructure that AAOI provides, specifically their 800G and 1.6T transceivers, is the literal glue holding these massive AI clusters together. Without these high-speed optical connections, the fastest chips in the world just sit there waiting for data. This is why we are seeing a massive disconnect between the stock price and the traditional analyst targets. For months, the consensus price target was languishing around $53, yet the stock is sitting near $160. That gap exists because the market is pricing in a future where AAOI isn't just a component supplier, but a vertically integrated powerhouse that owns the laser technology, the manufacturing, and the intellectual property. If you look at recent trading activity, the institutional movement has been incredibly aggressive. We've seen a string of massive orders, including a recent $200 million win for 1.6T transceivers from a single hyperscale customer. This kind of volume is unheard of for a company of this size. When you see a stock up over 1,100% in a year, the natural instinct is to wait for a crash. Short sellers like Citron Research have even come out calling the valuation delusional. But the market isn't trading on last year's earnings. It's trading on the fact that AAOI has guided for $120 million in operating profit for 2026. This isn't a speculative dream anymore. It's a scale-up operation. The sheer volume of 8.7 million shares traded on a Friday shows that even at these record highs, there is plenty of liquidity and interest from big players who are beginning to view this as a legitimate mid-cap contender rather than a penny stock. For those of you navigating this through platforms like the Robinhood app or using interactive brokers trading tools, you've likely seen the volatility. High beta stocks like this can move 8% to 10% in a single day, as we saw earlier this week when the stock dipped to the 140s before roaring back to 159. This is the reality of self-investing in high-growth tech. It requires a different kind of stomach than holding a diversified index or using a SoFi robo-advisor. You have to be comfortable with the idea that the expected price is often wrong, because the growth is non-linear. Institutional activity suggests that while some are taking profits, others are viewing any dip as a chance to get in before the next leg of capacity expansion in Texas. Let's talk about the business for a second, because it's important to understand why they are winning. Applied Optoelectronics does two main things: data center hardware and CATV, cable television, components. In 2025, their CATV revenue nearly tripled because of the move to DOCSIS 4.0, which basically means your home internet is getting a massive upgrade. But the real engine is the data center side. They are one of the few companies that are vertically integrated, meaning they make their own lasers. Most of their competitors have to buy those lasers from someone else. By making them in-house, AAOI has better margins, and more importantly, they aren't waiting in line for someone else's parts. This is why they were able to secure that $71 million order for 800G modules in early April. They have the product and they have the roadmap to 1.6T, which is the next frontier for AI networking. The tension here lies in the execution. Management is betting the entire farm on their new facilities in Pearland and Sugar Land, Texas. They are planning to more than triple their laser manufacturing capacity by mid-2027. This is a massive capital expenditure. If you are doing online investing through a Fidelity brokerage account or managing your own individual brokerage, you have to keep an eye on their cash flow. They spent over $200 million on CapEx in 2025, which was way more than they originally planned. They are sprinting. If demand for AI clusters cools off even slightly, or if there's a delay in their factory construction, that $11 billion market cap starts to look very heavy. However, if they hit that $1 billion revenue for 2026, the current price might actually look cheap in retrospect. I want to hear from you on this because the sentiment is so split. Comment below how many shares of Applied Optoelectronics you currently hold, or if you're sitting on the sidelines waiting for a pullback. Is this a valuation bubble, or are we just seeing the birth of a new networking giant? Looking at the institutional landscape, we see firms like Fidelity Investments and Schwab Intelligent Portfolios starting to have to account for these massive shifts in the semiconductor and networking sectors. Even if you aren't picking individual stocks, your Fidelity ETFs or mutual funds might be gaining exposure to this sector as Aaoi climbs the ranks of the Nasdaq. The company has moved from being an afterthought to a central player in the AI infrastructure narrative. They've even announced plans to have over 55% of their high-end manufacturing based in the US by the end of 2027, which de-risks them from a lot of the geopolitical tension we see in the chip space. The future outlook here is dominated by two upcoming catalysts. First, the Q1 earnings report scheduled for May 7th. This will be the first time we see if the 800G orders are actually hitting the bottom line, or if they are still struggling with firmware optimizations that slowed them down late last year. Second, the ramp-up of the 1.6T product line. If they can successfully ship those units in volume by the third quarter of this year, they will have a massive lead over smaller competitors. The risk is that they are currently a two-customer company, with a huge chunk of their revenue coming from just a couple of big cloud providers. If one of those customers decides to pause their orders, the stock will react violently. The expectation was that Aaoi would be a slow and steady recovery story. The reality is that they have been strapped to a rocket ship fueled by the need for faster data transmission. We are seeing a company transition from a loss-making component maker to a profitable high-scale manufacturer. This shift is never smooth, and the sell ratings from some analysts show that the traditional financial models are struggling to keep up with the pace of change. Whether you are using Robinhood fractional shares to build a small position or managing a large portfolio through interactive brokers, you have to realize that you are trading the infrastructure of the next decade, not just a stock ticker. To wrap this up, the contrast between the market's narrative and the operational reality at Applied Optoelectronics is stark. The narrative says it's an overextended stock that has gone too far too fast. The reality, at least according to the order books and management's guidance, is a company that is finally seeing its vertically integration strategy pay off at the exact moment the world needs its specific products. We saw the stock close at $159.42 on April 17th, and the momentum into the May 7 earnings call is palpable. The volatility will remain high, and the risks of customer concentration and massive capital expenditure are real, but the authority with which Aaoi is dominating the 800G conversation cannot be ignored. They have set a very high bar for themselves with a $1 billion revenue target. Now we wait to see if the reality of their production capacity can finally meet the massive expectations they've set for the market. Whether you're looking for investment help through a professional or navigating the world of online investing on your own, remember that companies like Applied Optoelectronics represent the pipes of the digital age. They aren't always pretty, and they are expensive to build, but everything else depends on them working perfectly. Keep a close watch on the volume and the institutional inflows over the next few weeks. The tension between the shorts who think this is a bubble and the bulls who see a $4 billion revenue potential by 2027 is what will drive the next phase of this stock's life. It is a high-stakes game of manufacturing execution, and right now, Aaoi is playing to win. If you're using a trading platform or even just keeping an eye on the ticker, stay grounded in the numbers and don't let the daily 5% swings distract you from the long-term capacity targets. That is where the real value will be won or lost.